Unity's pricing policy is of little concern to the company's large clients. They are able to bargain for the right terms after John Riccitiello resigned and runtime fee conditions were softened. The scandal around Unity's pricing policy was hushed up. Nevertheless, MobileGamer portal continued to look into the situation. We share a brief extract of the material. White small square PO. According to the portal's sources, soon after Unity announced a yet unsoftened pricing policy, a certain large mobile publisher met with the head of Unity. He told Riccitiello, "Fuck you, we're not going to pay runtime fee." White small square series week after the announcement, Unity decided to relax the terms after all. At first, it planned to announce that the developer fee would be 4%. But the company was criticized so heavily that it reduced the fee to 2.5%. White small square Odin sources confirmed to reporters that Unity wanted to kill AppLovin, a marketing platform that competes with Unity-owned ironSource, with its pricing policy. It promised developers it would waive the runtime fee if they dropped AppLovin's services. White small square Nenizvanij mobile publisher told MobileGamer that ironSource offered it a substantial sum for abandoning AppLovin in 2022. The publisher did not accept the offer, to which he was told that he would have to switch to ironSource in the future anyway. White small square Vprosum. According to MobileGamer, Unity's large customers can always organize negotiations and bargain for favorable terms. This includes convincing Unity not to charge them at all.